What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. We've been out fishing for a little bit already, so I'm kind of filming the intro a little late, but it's been an amazing afternoon. We had what I would feel are perfect conditions. This is my favorite condition to fish in. It's super overcast. There's a light misty rain. We've had rain for the past 2 days, not too heavy, just kind of some scattered showers. As you can see, the water's up over the bank and into the grass here, and right now there's some heavier rain starting to come down, so I'm going to be filming a lot with the, not a ton, but pretty much half and half with the GoPro and the big camera, so my camera's not getting soaked. So we're going to get back to fishing. You guys enjoy the video. It's going to be a good one. There's one. Nice brown. Oh, that's a gorgeous fish. All right, guys, check out the colors on this guy. Beautiful brown. Send him right back home. There's one. Oh, another little brown. This guy right in here. Some gorgeous wild browns. Flies out. There he is. That's a perfect drift right there. Something's got to eat. Oh, there was one. Crap. There he is. That's a nice fish. Feels pretty heavy. Nice rainbow. Putting up one heck of a fight. Oh, he's off. Dang it. It was a nice heavy rainbow. There's one. Oh, that's a nice fish too. That was the drift right after I just lost that fish. This one's a brown. Gotcha. Beautiful little brown. That was the drift right after I just lost that fish. There he is. Nice little brown. I'm going to fish the top end of this run because I haven't fished it yet. And also I landed the one and lost the other fish right in the same exact spot down there. There's a fish right there. And I want to fish up here before I go down there again, just because of spooking fish around, because I just hooked 2 fish down there. So as I was talking, just got another little brown. Flies out already. There he is. And we'll get him back home. Got one? Just keep bringing back this way a little more. There you go. Got him. Wow, that's a pretty one. Show them the colors on that. Beautiful brown. There's a nice fish. Nice brown. Come on, get in here. Got him. There he is, super nice, feisty little brown. This is probably, there's one. I was just gonna say, this is probably my favorite stuff to catch fish out of. Are these like, oh, he's off. Those 2 foot riffs with some really good current moving through them. It's probably my favorite stuff to catch fish out of. There's one. That's a nicer fish. That feels like a good fish there. Yeah, that's a nice brown. Oh man, it's a nice fish. And he is just jumping out of the water like crazy. He's taking me down. I'm gonna try to turn his head quick. Okay, we got his head turned and we're downstream from him. Should be able to land him right here. Got him. Oh, that's an awesome fish. All right, guys, so you saw we just landed him. Gorgeous, gorgeous brown. There he is. Beautiful fish, put up a really, really good fight. Gonna send him right back home. And that is a great, great fish. Hopefully we catch another one of them, or maybe a little bit bigger. There's one. This feels like a nice fish too. It's running right downstream. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, this feels like a good fish. Haven't even seen it. Oh man, yeah, this could be a big one. He wants to run downstream. A lot of high water, a lot of current for him to use. I don't know if he's huge or not, just a fighter. Oh, got him. Woo-hoo-hoo. Another really good brown. Oh man. This guy's another really nice brown. He's not as big as the one we just landed, but he fought even harder. Still a really great fish. Super just fired up fish. Had a lot of fight in him. So we're gonna let him back home. And off he goes. All right, everybody, as always, thank you guys that have made it to the end of the video, that are here watching this right now. I really appreciate it. Really helps everything out with the videos. Today's video was an awesome time. We didn't have a ton of time. It was raining heavy during the day. We got out as soon as it lightened up a little bit. We were in a little bit of light showers, some misting rain, but it was perfect conditions, super overcast. Water had a little bit of color to it. Everything kind of lined up to have a really good afternoon of fishing. This video, I was fishing 2 nymphs pretty much the whole time. 1 brown, 1 black, both blowtorches, and they seemed to produce pretty well for me. I caught a bunch of fish today, so thanks again for watching, everybody, and I'll see you in the next one.